Python is slow, everyone knows it. So the guy who built Swift made a new language, same syntax, 35,000 times faster. But there's a catch. That number came from one benchmark. Today, what actually shipped? May 7th. After 3 years of hype, Mojo just shipped a 1.0 beta. Modular calls it feature complete, stable release by the fall. Quick context, Mojo is Chris Lattner's new language. Same guy who built Swift. The pitch? Code that looks like Python, runs where CUDA runs. So, does the benchmark hold up? The benchmark? Generating a Mandelbrot set. The most parallel-friendly toy problem in computer science. Naive Mojo port. 90 times faster than Python. Vectorize it. 500. Every optimization on top. 35,000. Run it against PyTorch's compile mode. Mojo still wins, by single or double digits, not 5 orders of magnitude. So yes, fast. No, your Django app is not getting 35,000 times faster. Benchmark theater is still theater. So what's actually real? If you write GPU kernels, this part is. The old ND buffer is gone. TileTensor replaces it. Memory layout, strides, swizzles, indexing, moves to compile time. A whole class of GPU layout bugs becomes a type error. Plus, new silicon, NVIDIA B300, AMD MI250X, and Apple's M5 matrix cores. The other real thing, Mojo just quietly stopped pretending to be a Python superset. The FN keyword, deprecated. Everything is def now. Even closures, with explicit capture lists. Negative indexing, x bracket -1, compile error. UnsafePointer is non-null by default. CPU bounds checks. On. Mojo just speedran the Rust borrow checker in one release, with Python's hairstyle. Now the part modular doesn't put on the homepage. The compiler is still closed source. 2 days into 1.0 beta, stdlib went Apache in 2024. Compiler? Promised later this year. Same year they're shipping a feature-complete beta. Until that drops, every line of Mojo is a bet on one company. Modular's own framing. Use Mojo only if you're writing GPU kernels or extending their max runtime. Translation: ML infra engineers, kernel writers, the CUDA haters. You should look at this. If you ship web apps in Python, stay in Python. Mojo is not for you. Yet. Verdict. Mojo is not the Python killer. Mojo is the CUDA escape hatch. And that might be more interesting. 3 things to watch. Compiler open sources, actually this year, max kernel storylands, and the first real Mojo project not from Modular. Write GPU code? Install tonight. Everyone else, bookmark.